In this video, I would like to go over the new Degree Planner tool. This is a new tool that has been introduced to BYU Pathway Worldwide, and it is being introduced to students in phases. That means that if you are not familiar with this tool, that's okay. Some students will begin using this, while other students will still be using the old grad planner for now. So to begin, we would like to choose a degree. Now, these recommended degrees are based off of the course that was taken in PC 103. So that one course that they take in Pathway Connect will apply to some of these majors and not to others. Here we are going to choose the Applied Technology degree, and within this, we see several different options for the first certificate that we can do. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Auto Service Technology certificate. Then, based on this degree, it does narrow down the options that are available for the next two certificates, and that is why we only see two options here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Computer Support certificate, and then as the last one, we see the System Administration certificate. So those are the options that are available under the Applied Technology degree. Now we do want to move forward and select the Workload. This is the maximum number of credits that you are interested in taking during a semester. Now, if I were to set this to, say, 6 credits per semester, this does mean that the planner may go up to 5 credits, possibly only 4 credits, depending on how the courses line up, but it will not go over the maximum load of 6 credits. We can also see that the number of credits also translate into this much work per week. So if we take it down to 4 credits, we can see that it's about 12 hours of work per week. Or another way of looking at this is to say that 1 credit will require about 3 hours of coursework per week. So I'm going to go back up to 6 credits, and I hit Next, and here we can see all of our options, and we can go ahead and plan our degree. However, before I do so, I'm actually going to go back and show you a different option. So I'm going to change my program here. And this time we're going to click on the Professional Studies degree. Now I can change the first certificate, and based on this degree, we can see there are a lot more options. So it's important to understand which certificates are available under which major, and this tool allows us to look around and search for which one we wish to do. So for the first certificate, I'm going to click on the Administrative Assistant. For the second one, I'm going to select, let's do the TEFL certificate. And then for the third certificate, I'm going to choose Commercial Fundamentals. And then I will still proceed to set my workload, but because I already put that in, it's staying at 6 credits. I can change that if I wish, but now that I've shown you the differences under different majors, I'm going to go ahead and plan my degree. Now that our degree is planned, we can see that it shows the major we have selected and the certificates that we have selected, and it has planned the courses for us for each of these semesters. While you are using the degree planner, it's important to know the order of how the courses are going to be scheduled. And so right here I have this display to show you that the Certificate 1, or your first certificate, those courses are going to be planned first, and then it'll go to Certificate 2. And it is possible that, for example, you want to take 9 credits in a semester, and if only one of these Certificate 1 courses are left, then you could have Certificate 1 and Certificate 2 in the same semester. So it's okay to do that. It's just important that these ones are at least planned first. It does not mean that all of the Certificate 1 courses have to be completed before you move on to Certificate 2. And so that rule is going to be the same with the rest of these. So once you finish Certificate 2, you'll go on to your generals for the associate's degree, and then the religion courses. So this will get you to complete one certificate
and complete the second certificate. And then you should complete your associate's degree. And then we'll move into completing a third certificate before you move into the generals for your bachelor's and your religion courses there. And then the elective courses, these are often scheduled at the very end. But just so you know, this is the order of how the degree planner is going to schedule things.
Now I will go over the rest of the functionality within the degree planner in a separate video.